Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Lego Ferrari LaFerrari. First, find the official Lego Speed Champions LaFerrari set, number 75,899. This compact model contains 164 pieces, making it a quick and enjoyable build. Before you begin, ensure all components are included in your box. Sorting the bricks by color and type will help you find what you need quickly. Next, you will focus on assembling the car's sturdy base and chassis. This forms the essential foundation for your Ferrari. Carefully follow the instructions to attach the foundational elements for the driver's cockpit, ensuring they are securely fitted. Then, proceed to secure the four wheel axles to the main structure. This step prepares your model for its wheels and body. Now it's time to bring your LaFerrari to life with its iconic bodywork. Carefully attach the vibrant red body panels, paying close attention to alignment for a smooth finish. Then, move on to the interior, assembling the detailed steering wheel and driver's seat. Finally, integrate the distinctive headlights, taillights, and the clear windscreen, adding to the model's realistic appearance. For the final steps, you will secure the unique wheel trims onto all four wheels, completing the car's sleek profile. If your set includes any stickers or decals, apply them carefully to enhance the model's authenticity and add fine details. Once finished, proudly display your magnificent Lego Ferrari LaFerrari on a flat surface, ready to admire your impressive build.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.